The recent distribution of 75,000 US dollars in cash and 3,000 food hampers under Presidential Empowerment Constituency Revolving Fund in Mutasa district has ignited fresh discussion about the legality, transparency, and broader implications of such payouts, as well as how they are being portrayed and debated in public forums. Tungwarara cash dish-outs spark debate over tax, accountability, not for subscribe or like on the bell icon. During a high-profile event, Dr. Tungwarara, the presidential special advisor on foreign investment, openly handed cash to representatives across 3 constituencies, saying on stage, "Each of you, I'm going to give you 5,000. So this money, 10,000 US dollars, I'm giving it to MP KUTYA," prompting loud applause among attendees. Video from the function and post on social media show the jubilant crowd and beneficiaries commending the gesture. But beyond applause, questions are swelling online about the legality and tax obligations attached to such direct cash disbursement, especially at a time when ordinary citizens face economic hardships. Under Zimbabwe's tax framework, cash gifts and personal transfers above certain thresholds may attract obligations, particularly if they originate from public or quasi-public sources. Meanwhile, the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority (ZIMRA) has ongoing initiatives encouraging citizens and businesses to engage in the formal tax system, such as its My Tax Works campaign, which highlights the link between tax compliance and community investment. The absence of clear disclosure about the origin of the 75,000 US dollars, whether it is a public fund, party finance, or private donation, breeds uncertainty about whether the money should be reported to ZIMRA. Recipients should account for taxable income. As this debate unfolds online in a local discussion, the core question remains: who funds these empowerment payouts? Should they be reported as taxable gifts? And how do such initiatives align with constitutional and public financial management norms? Until these questions are answered through transparent disclosure and official clarification, public skepticism will persist, even if the cash brings short-term relief. Tomashukana mudanyuka pangwa ino. Rakomesa kishemedu za fungra imo tulipa msabwe chitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.